Friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about HTC DT-302-1. Here is the unboxing of HTC DT-302-1. First, we get this kind of box. On top, we get the user manual. After that, we get the component, and we will also get a warranty card with that. In component, we will see there are total 6 buttons. We get the K-type sensor as well. So like this, we can connect the K-type sensor. The power button is for on and off the component. Degree F button shows Fahrenheit. 0.1 degrees button shows the decimal point values. 1 degree button shows the proper number values. And degree C button shows Celsius. 0.1 degrees button shows the decimal point values. 1 degree button shows the proper number values. Hold button shows data hold function. Technical specification. Model DT-302-1. Size 130 by 95 by 28 mm. Process value large LCD display makes reading clear. Data hold function. High resolution 0.1 degrees Celsius/Fahrenheit. High stability, high accuracy. 0.2% DT-302-1. Input 9 voltage 6F22X1. Max input voltage, DC 60 voltage or AC 24 voltage. Standard accessories, manual, TP01 temperature probe. Battery, 9 voltage battery 006P or IEC 6F22 or NATA 1604. Weight, approximate, 240 gram, including battery.